Hey guys, so this is the second part of the first episode of us getting cancelled. Go watch the first part अगर तुमने नहीं देखा on obesity. That is on obesity, and this is the second part. So enjoy.
तो अभी क्या खत्म हुआ है हमारा बड़ा
Obesity.
इवेंट? नहीं,
अच्छा.
वर्ल्ड में बिग इवेंट कौन सा खत्म हुआ है?
Olympics.
ओलंपिक्स। और अब तू प्लीज गो ऑन, ओलंपिक्स में क्या हुआ था? अगर तुझे पता है, तुझे पता है क्या नहीं पता है?
मेरे को exactly नहीं पता तू उसके बारे में बात कर रहा
चल
है, but I
मैं
know what you're
बोलता हूँ।
talking about.
तो बेसिकली दिस टाइम व्हाट हैपेंड वाज इन द ओलंपिक्स, which was it has been a great Olympics, but there have been a few heated debates, and I'll introduce the topic.
हाँ.
For the first time in history, the International Olympic Committee allowed trans women to participate in the tournament in the women's category.
In every event.
No. There was, I'll tell you, one event I know. There was this New Zealand weightlifter,
Big event.
who weightlifting. So you know,
हाँ,
you
right.
get what I'm saying,
Yes.
right? Okay. So what happened was that, and this sounds great, and we are saying an inclusive advantage and everything.
हाँ.
But then I'll talk about what are your thoughts on this? That trans women being
No. Explain the
allowed-
topic more. अच्छे से define कर कि ये बहुत ही tricky
तो-
जगह है. मेरे को कुछ गड़बड़ नहीं करनी इसमें.
गड़बड़ नहीं करनी है। अच्छा, हम इस पे पहली बात तो हम, अच्छा तू अपने थॉट्स बोल, मैं बोलता हूँ। I'll explain.
ठीक
What
है.
do you think on this? Your opinion.
See, there are two different kind of transgenders, right? एक होते हैं जो पहले men थे, and then now they're identifying themselves as women or trans women, right? And उसका एक उल्टा केस भी होता है, right? Now, आयुष, I'm pretty sure कि जो डिबेट है ये ट्रांस मैन के लिए नहीं है. नहीं है.
ट्रांस वुमेन
ट्रांस वुमेन के लिए है, राइट?
ट्रांस वुमेन के लिए, हाँ, ये इस ओलंपिक में स्पेसिफिकली, हाँ.
राइट. एंड डू यू नो, एंड आई थिंक यू नो द रीजन व्हाई. One chemical, testosterone.
Testosterone, absolutely.
Guys, I'll let you if you don't know, it is illegal. It is a drug basically. अगर तुम अलग से इंजेक्ट करो टेस्टोस्टेरोन को.
And you know, और ये मैं मजाक नहीं कर रहा, some girls, some females also have high, and I'll just to emphasize the importance of this, I'll tell you. Some females also have high testosterone levels.
But naturally.
Okay. Naturally they have.
हाँ. That's fine.
I'll just no, hear me out.
हाँ.
Just to emphasize the importance of testosterone, I'll tell you this.
हाँ.
Even if some females have high testosterone levels, I think that there is 400 or something.
हाँ.
If you're above that, even you're not allowed to compete.
What are you saying? क्या बात कर रहा है?
It is true, हाँ.
Bro, ये क्या बोल रहा है?
Then you are taking testosterone suppressors.
हाँ.
And then you can compete.
Wow.
This is because testosterone is majorly what? The male hormone.
हाँ.
Right. And this gives, and the reason we are talking about competitive sport is that, let's face it, biologically, males have an athletic advantage.
Adult males.
Huh?
Adult males who have testosterone.
Yeah. Just because of testosterone. And right. Why is it? Because see, and females have a bigger threshold of pain because they have to go through childbirth.
Right.
Okay, so everybody is in their way. So see, male bodies didn't have to accommodate for childbirth. So men naturally have evolved bigger muscles, denser bones, bigger hearts, and high levels of hemoglobin. And you must be knowing what's hemoglobin. I don't need to mention that. And this advantage varies from various sports, but the advantage is there. Okay. So what happens is that so what these people do is that the IOC, the committee, they made it mandatory for trans women to take drugs. Okay, to suppress testosterone. So see, first of all, one disadvantage is coming already. One advantage for them, they have to see, naturally they have to suppress something to compete. But they have an advantage at first.
Of course.
That we are doing. Okay, for at least a year before the games. Okay, but this solution does not work because many studies show that even after suppressing, the effects of puberty are permanent, and the drugs can reduce the hemoglobin, but the effect on strength, the muscle growth is negligible. Okay.
Right.
Based on similar evidence, the World Rugby also deemed it unsafe to let trans women people have alongside biological women. So, but the Olympics did this, and the problem we have with this, why sports, the issue is that in sports it is the survival of the fittest.
Right. हाँ.
Sports is survival of the fittest. Okay,
बिल्कुल.
there is a reason why a basketball player wants to get taller. There
हाँ.
is a reason why a football player wants better calf muscles.
हम्म.
There is a reason why a cricketer wants better, broader shoulders.
हम्म.
It is physicality plays a huge. If you talked about, if you spoke about this in office corporate setting, no debate.
No debate.
No
अरे
debate.
कोई बात ही नहीं है. कोई बात ही
कोई
नहीं है.
debate ही नहीं है यार.
हाँ.
But जहाँ एक bodily physical advantage का
देख स्पोर्ट्स
scene है.
सबसे प्राइमल एक्टिविटी है टू बी
हाँ.
ऑनेस्ट.
हाँ.
So yeah.
Just think about, okay, if you talk about equality, think about those women. What wrong have they done?
Exactly.
They are born the way they are.
देख.
Okay, they are born the way they are, and what have they done? That is the problem I have.
देख आयुष, आई थिंक, और देख तूने हेमोग्लोबिन की भी बात करी, ठीक है. अब आई लेट यू गाइस नो, हेमोग्लोबिन में क्या होता है, वो रेड ब्लड सेल्स में होता है, ठीक है. सो उसमें ऑक्सीजन स्टोर्ड होता है. एंड इफ यू प्ले स्पोर्ट्स और इफ यू नो अबाउट स्पोर्ट्स, देन यू नो कि अगर तुम भागोगे एंड इफ यू हैव गुड ऑक्सीजन इन योर बॉडी, देन you'll be able to run fast एंड तुम्हारा स्टैमिना भी बहुत ज्यादा हाई रहेगा. तो अगर हेमोग्लोबिन भी ज्यादा है तुम्हारे बॉडी में, टेस्टोस्टेरोन सप्रेसर ले भी लिया, यू हैव गुड स्टैमिना, ग्रेट स्टैमिना टू बी ऑनेस्ट, तो एक और एडवांटेज मिल जा रहा है आयुष. एंड सी थिंग इज, अब अगेन जो ट्रांस मेन है उनको कोई कुछ नहीं कहेगा क्योंकि उनके अंदर कोई अनफेयर एडवांटेज नहीं है, राइट. उनके पास कोई अनफेयर एडवांटेज नहीं है, बट इन दिस केस है. And very
and you know why the problem is I'll tell you, because see, the Olympics में क्या हुआ, the person, her name is Laurel Hubbard. She was born as a man.
अच्छा.
She competed as a man.
अच्छा.
And now she is competing as a female. Like, there's a reason why in majority athletic sports, नहीं तो यार female football team,
see, nothing to take away from that, from her or him, anything.
No, I have something to take away from her. Even
I don't know about her pronouns, but ठीक है, nothing to take away.
No, nothing to take away from that person, because I have something and it is wrong what the person is doing. Because okay, Olympic Association is wrong, but even the person is wrong. You can't let the person go. Because even उसको भी जानना पड़ेगा ना कि यार ये advantage मेरा है, मैं क्यों फालतू का जाऊँ यार. True, agree. कुछ और करना है तो you do something else.
You can compete with other men. You compete with other men. That's fair. Or
you have a specific transgender competition.
Exactly.
A specific competition. These people have to be included.
The inclusivity has to be there. No doubt.
Even see what. Oh my God. ज़्यादा emotion में आ गया. See, the thing is, inclusivity has. Why should they be devoid of competing, man?
Definitely.
उनको क्यों? But तू एक बात सोच ना, तू वो जो लड़की, the girl who has worked her ass off and she has trained hard, okay, to go and reach the Olympics level weightlifting category, उसका क्या fault है कि अगर, and see, मैं नहीं बोल रहा कि every male is superior or physically superior than
right,
physically superior than males.
I'm
talking about a general. If you take 100 males and 100 females, a male has higher muscle mass. A male, due to the reason I mentioned, has higher bone density. So you cannot neglect that fact. There's a reason why they do not play together. Males and females, they do not play together. The reason why they do not play together, because males have an athletic advantage. So at that level, if both are the same build, okay, the male will have an advantage. Obviously, they will have an advantage.
I'll quote a study, Ayush.
That is the issue I say.
Yeah, I'll quote a study by Duke University. ठीक है? Now, you guys know कि around 10 to 12 age, 12 के बाद people hit puberty. Usual scenario, ठीक है? Now, there was study कि running के लिए, ठीक है? Athletics. So, people recorded time कि मेल्स को कितना टाइम लग रहा है भागने में, रेसेस हुए, ठीक है. नाउ प्यूबर्टी के पहले और प्यूबर्टी के बाद में इमेजिन कर कि कितने मेल्स ने कितने फीमेल्स को हराया. जस्ट वाइल्ड गेस,
कितने?
प्यूबर्टी के पहले इट वाज अराउंड 100,
हाँ
ठीक है,
अच्छा
नंबर्स इन 100, बट स्टडी
हाँ
बहुत वाइड था, ठीक है, लाइक
हाँ
10,000 ऐसा कुछ था.
हाँ
आफ्टर प्यूबर्टी 2000,
there we go there we go
2000,
and nothing
and
to
this is the
undermine
average,
anybody,
this is the average.
nothing to undermine anybody.
देख now
We
this,
should keep in mind
हाँ
that female sports is
हाँ
a different category,
right,
male sports is a different category.
definitely, हाँ
Okay, male sports is a different category. There are many females who are athletically superior to many males.
right.
There are many females.
If they want,
today
they can
I
compete.
go and
If they want, they can compete and compete with males. But you won't.
If-
You can't allow Virat Kohli going to go
it
and
is
play.
unfair.
Yeah,
It is
exactly.
unfair because see, as I said, sports in a workplace setting,
हाँ,
there has to be equality,
right,
because especially because there your mental aspect which is equal,
which is
okay,
equal.
and
हाँ,
which you build on that, and it is all on yourself. So if a female is my CEO, as a male, I should not be having problems with that,
definitely, definitely.
okay,
Right.
because she is
Hmm.
in a place like a sport where
Hmm.
the physical aspect is so much,
हाँ,
where you why do people go to the gym, man, to play sports? नहीं तो
हाँ,
चल लेते हैं ना, ऐसे नॉर्मली चल
हाँ,
लेते हैं.
हाँ, right.
जहाँ एस्पेक्ट है और जहाँ ड्यू टू साइंस
हाँ, हाँ,
जहाँ मेल्स को एक एथलेटिक एडवांटेज मिल रहा है.
हाँ,
अब जो मिल रहा है वो मिल रहा है. तुम
हाँ,
साइंस को तो नहीं बोल सकते ना
हाँ,
यू आर सेक्सिस्ट और यू आर होमोफोबिक और
हाँ,
ट्रांसजेंडर फोबिक.
हाँ. Science does
वो तो
not
नहीं बोल
care.
सकते. जो
उसको
है
फर्क
सो
नहीं पड़ता.
है,
हाँ, हाँ,
जो है सो है.
right.
जहाँ मेल्स को एक एडवांटेज मिल रहा है,
हाँ.
इतना अनफेयर एडवांटेज, अनफेयर तो नहीं बोलूंगा मैं, एडवांटेज मिल रहा
नहीं,
है.
अनफेयर है ब्रो, अनफेयर है. क्या बात कर रहा है? बहुत ज्यादा बड़ा
क्या
एडवांटेज है, बहुत ज्यादा बड़ा एडवांटेज है.
अनफेयर? तो उसको अनफेयर कैसे, मतलब तो जो है अभी इसमें
देख, अनफेयर
fairness-
इन टर्म्स ऑफ आवर अंडरस्टैंडिंग, जो हमने अभी सोशल
हाँ
अंडरस्टैंडिंग है.
हाँ, वो तो जब मेल्स को इतना एडवांटेज, हाँ ऑब्वियसली अगर तो उससे कंपेयर कर तो सही बोल रहा है, एडवांटेज मिल रहा है, देन द फीमेल्स शुड हैव लाइक नो, लाइक पर्सन हु हैज ट्रांजिशन फ्रॉम मैन टू वुमन, the person should not be allowed, man.
Right.
How can this be allowed? Especially imagine in sports where your main weightlifting में main क्या है? Your
हाँ.
bone density, your muscles.
Right, right.
In space like UFC वाले एग्जाम्पल पे आ रहा है अभी,
हाँ.
कंट्रोवर्सी हुआ था. So I think और ये ना for the sake again obesity वाले सीन आ रहे हैं
हम्म.
कि हम for the sake of ये sake of equality, for the sake of pleasing
We are
people.
undermining science
Yeah, we are undermining science.
and reality.
तो
देख
कि-
आयुष, I'll give you an example, ठीक है. हमारा एक दोस्त है, ठीक है, दिल्ली का, प्लेज ग्रेट क्रिकेट, ठीक है, बहुत बढ़िया खेलता है, ठीक है, ऑलराउंडर है, बॉलिंग ऑलराउंडर, ठीक है. एंड देख, आई एम नॉट श्योर कि वो इंडिया के लिए खेलेगा कि नहीं खेलेगा. हो सकता है खेल ले, ठीक है, इंडियन क्रिकेट टीम के लिए. आई एम नॉट श्योर, ठीक है. देयर इज अ 50-50 प्रोबेबिलिटी, ऐसा कुछ है. बट आई एम प्रीटी श्योर दैट एट दिस पॉइंट he can be the third best batsman in the women's team of India.
See, that is a very wrong debate you're going into.
नहीं,
Don't go-
hear me out,
don't-
hear me
no,
out.
don't-
एक
don't
second,
go into
you can tell me if I'm wrong later. अगर वो if he goes and says कि चलो, now I'll be identifying myself as a transgender, now I want to play cricket for,
Yeah, it is unfair.
that'll be unfair, right?
And basically look at this now. The maximum recorded speed
हाँ.
of a female cricket match bowler
हाँ,
is 133.
हाँ. even though वो बॉलर जो है वो मेहनत पूरी कर रही होगी,
पूरी उसका क्या है,
डबल कर रही होगी, डबल कर रही होगी.
Exactly, Julian Goswami.
हाँ,
Nothing against anybody.
हाँ,
But as you said कि उसका अनफेयर एडवांटेज होगा. अब अगर तू यूएफसी पे आ जाए, चल मैंने
हाँ.
क्रिकेट का थोड़ा मान लिया कि क्रिकेट में फोर्स चाहिए होता है, बट
हाँ,
ठीक है.
हाँ,
I'll come to MMA fighter Fallon Fox.
ठीक है.
So do you know who's Fallon Fox? And तू तो जो रोगन का तूने एपिसोड देखा होगा. So please talk a bit about her.
भाई देख, भाई मेरे को ये समझ में नहीं आता कि तो एज यू सेड कि फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फॉर द सेक ऑफ इक्वालिटी इट्स गुड, ठीक है, अगर कोई कंपेटिटिव चीज ना हो, ठीक है, जिसमें स्ट्रेंथ
you
नहीं
talk
चाहिए
about
होगा
Fallon Fox. Talk about Fallon Fox.
भाई. बेसिकली सेम चीज, ट्रांस वुमेन competing with women, जीत गई. That's
She
it.
came into limelight when she once just listen to this. She fractured the skull of her opponent in a 2014 bout. Okay, normal females she can do that,
हाँ.
but can you imagine? Can you imagine? She and Joe Rogan just told her you're a man, and it is true. If you see her fighting Fallon Fox, she was a man who changed herself to a woman, and then she started fighting. If you if you look at her and if you look at her fighting, she just brutally beats up people.
बहुत बुरी, लाइक हाँ, लाइक कोई ऐसा नहीं है कि कंपटीशन भी चल रहा है, लाइक बिल्कुल लाइक अलग तरीके से. यू नो, जैसे मान लो जैसे अगर बच्चे के जाके क्रिकेट खेलो एंड हर बॉल में सिक्स मार दो, समथिंग लाइक दैट.
And people have said, there is athletes who said, I have fought a lot of women who fought with her, and she said, I have never felt that kind of a strength that Fallon Fox had.
हाँ.
I've never, and why would she feel that? See,
Of
again,
course.
Fallon Fox has worked hard for
हाँ,
it. Fallon
definitely.
Fox obviously has built her body, everything. But the advantage she has, it is undeniable. And can you imagine in a combat sport? And you know what is her response to it? Anybody attacks her, her response to it, these are lies. These people are attacking me. This is that. This is that. This is not equality. This is a response to it. Fallon Fox's. So this has to end. This whole, and इसका पता है हमें डीप रूट प्रॉब्लम में जानना पड़ेगा. इसका डीप रूटेड जो प्रॉब्लम है कि स्पेशली दीज डेज कि जो तुझे पूछ रहा हो कि मतलब वी आर इन अ वे, as I said, just for an individual's happiness, we are ready to compromise 100 other people's happiness.
हाँ देख आयुष, ये ना एक उसका वो है बिजनेस स्टडीज का प्रिंसिपल ऑफ मैनेजमेंट, ठीक है.
अच्छा.
जनरल इंटरेस्ट ओवर इंडिविजुअल इंटरेस्ट, इट इज रियली इंपॉर्टेंट इन एनी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, ठीक है. एक इंडिविजुअल को हैप्पी करने के लिए हम लोग 10 इंडिविजुअल्स के साथ बुरा कर रहे हैं.
एंड इसका इशू पता क्या होता है? इसके साथ एक अफगानिस्तान क्राइसिस का लिंक है.
अच्छा,
बोलूंगा. जिस इंडिविजुअल को हैप्पी कर रहे हैं उसको हम परसीव कर रहे हैं कि वो डिप्राइव्ड है.
अच्छा. हाँ,
डिप्राइव्ड है,
ठीक है.
इसीलिए हम क्या कर रहे हैं, हम उसको हमारे स्टैंडर्ड के हिसाब से वो डिप्राइव्ड नहीं है.
हाँ,
वो डिप्राइव्ड. इफ यू आर ट्रांसजेंडर person or a fighter, you are amazing the way you are. You are not deprived. You do not have to compete with women or the problem, I think one problem is there ki our associations also do not have transgender events, which I think is
that is a problem for sure.
I think is a problem. But even with that, the problem is कि देख, जो अपना deprive है उसको हम uplift कर रहे हैं. But जो uplifted, जो normal है, हम क्या कर रहे हैं, डिप्राइव को इतना अपलिफ्ट कर दे रहे हैं कि नॉर्मल बंदे 10 है वो डिप्राइव हो जा रहे हैं.
हाँ,
मैं तालिबान का एग्जांपल क्यों दे रहा हूँ?
अच्छा,
क्यों दे रहा हूँ मैं?
बता.
व्हाट हैज पीएम इमरान खान सेड?
वो सपोर्ट
इमरान
कर,
खान का
ही इज लाइक
नहीं, उन्होंने उससे बोला क्या है उसने? वो तो कूल विद इट, वी नो सिंस द टाइम वाज इलेक्टेड. ही हैज सेड कि व्हेन पीपल आस्क्ड हिम कि तालिबान हैज एक्वायर्ड, when it has started acquiring, because Taliban, I think it's a very interesting case, and stay tuned for that, we'll have something coming.
Yeah.
When Taliban started acquiring through the defense force and everything, the journalist asks PM Imran Khan, and PM Imran Khan says, Taliban also has to be sympathized with because the Taliban has had a history of slavery. Man. I mean what? Ki today, if somebody beats me up, okay, tomorrow I kill XYZ, I'm good because somebody has beaten me up.
That is so dumb. Come
on, man.
Just for the sake of supporting something, you can't blabber.
You can't
bullshit.
Yeah, you can't undermine reality.
हाँ.
Good, you're supporting person, but the problem पता है क्या है? तू देख, ये मजेदार बात है, जो बंदे सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं ना, वो भी truly सपोर्ट नहीं कर रहे. क्यों? क्योंकि for them also there is a normal, and for them making these people reach normal is their success.
Right. हाँ. Right.
मैं ट्रांसजेंडरिज्म की बात कर रहा हूँ, ओबेसिटी की बात नहीं कर रहा. तो उसमें क्या है, क्योंकि if you live as a transgender and if you compete with other transgenders, there is no problem with your health. You will be the way you are. इसमें तो हेल्थ की इशू नहीं, इट्स अ मॉडल सोशल इशू. ओबेसिटी में अलग बात है. इसमें क्या हो रहा है, हम इनको बोल रहे हैं कि तुम नॉर्मल बनोगे, तुम फीमेल्स के साथ compete करोगे तभी ये है. That is the problem. और अगर तू बोले कि हम बुरा बोल रहे हैं, you look at केटलिन जेनर. केटलिन जेनर तो जानता है कौन है? सभी जानते हैं. She came out openly in 2015. They. So what the person has said, Caitlyn has said that even I do not support this.
हाँ, exactly.
Because when Caitlyn,
it's cool for Caitlyn क्योंकि उसका fashion industry है, उसका different thing है. But sports
जब Caitlyn used to fight, तब तक he was a total man. Came out as a woman in 2015.
हाँ.
So he did not. You can't say that he had an advantage. He did not. He was a man. He fought in men's events.
Right.
That is the problem.
Bro, that was.
क्या ही कर सकता है? This is बहुत ही मतलब मुझे ये बहुत ट्रिगर करता है. मैंने बहुत लोगों से इसके बारे में बात भी की है, तेरे साथ भी बात किया है कि यार मतलब this the root cause of this, and you know it's interesting, ये आया कहाँ से कि एक तो हमने ओबेसिटी का फैशन इंडस्ट्री बोल दिया. आई थिंक अवेयरनेस होते होते इतना अवेयरनेस हो गया है, इतना यूफोरिया हो गया है कि हम रियलिटी को एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर रहे.
देख आयुष, आई थिंक दिस इज बिकॉज ओवरवोकनेस या फिर ओए डू यू थिंक
या
जस्ट अ थियरी, ठीक है, बट डू यू थिंक इट इज फॉर सोशल वैलिडेशन?
Based on for the people who are doing it, people
देख जैसे you see you know people saying bullshit on social media, right, just to please people around them.
Yeah, see, I'm talking about the person like Laurel Hubbard who did it. I don't think he did it for he did it for social validation.
Not that, but I'm talking about IOC और जो देख मेरे को लगता है कि
if you talk about the people who are if you talk about the people who are posting about this and all that, I think you can be correct because listen, you don't have to go far. We see like the people I see this Fallon Fox, maybe the person believes that they're able to compete. So देख वो गलत है belief, but वो belief पे they are working. The problem social media पे क्या है, popular opinion, जो कि हमने बात की है, इसमें ज़्यादा बात नहीं करेंगे, but यही है कि अभी अगर मैंने इस पे अभी पोस्ट कर दिया कि today I post that somebody is obese, it is not normal. I post,
bro, you'll die.
What the reaction will be? Today I post that this person Hubbard, the person should not, Laurel Hubbard should not have participated in the Olympics. There'll be a section of ready to take offense,
and there'll be character assassination as well.
Yeah, character assassination. That is which is the issue.
See, even if you're a hypothetical situation, even if you are like leftist, liberal, कुछ भी, ठीक है, no, not a conservative, ठीक है, people are going to call you completely racist, homophobic, and even if you're not homophobic or racist, just because of one particular opinion, they're gonna define your personality in one term.
True. And the problem arises that people start judging a personality based on one of your opinions.
Right.
ठीक है, मतलब this guy has different opinions, so he's bad. This guy has
ये हमने इमोशंस वाले में भी बात करी थी.
इमोशंस वाले में बात की थी, ये हमने वो कल्चर में भी बात की थी. कि इस पे हम ना ये जजमेंट जब भी हम चालू कर देंगे, तभी हम देख रहे कि हम अपने आप को, इट्स अ वेरी सेल्फिश थिंग. देख तू समझना है, इट्स ऑल वेरी वेरी आयरॉनिकल. आवर मोटिव इज व्हाट, टू मेक एवरीबॉडी हैप्पी, बट इट इज end of the day selfish motive.
Right. The truth is not digestible in the real way, right? It is really complex, but so that we understand shit, हम लोग अपने हिसाब से डिफाइन कर लेते हैं.
हम लोग अपने हिसाब से, मेरे को इंक्लूसिविटी होना होता है.
देख मेरे को जैसे मान ले बाहर के आदमी आएगा, ठीक है, उसको पता नहीं आयुष क्या है, ठीक है, आयुष हो सकता है कि रेसिस्ट हो, ठीक है, हो सकता, लेकिन ऑन दी कॉन्ट्ररी हो सकता है कि वो LGBTQ कम्युनिटी को सपोर्ट करता हो. लेकिन उसने देखा कि चलो यार ये तो बहुत कन्फ्लिक्टिंग आइडियाज होगा यूजुअल सोशली, है ना, तो इसको डिफाइन करना पड़ेगा. चलो मेरे को क्या लगता
इसका
है,
एग्जांपल हमारे पास भी है. I'll tell you जो हमारे साथ हुआ था एक हम दोनों के साथ.
क्या क्या
So
क्या?
when we were planning
ओके, यस 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 यस.
when we were planning the LGBTQIA plus podcast,
हाँ
so we had contacted somebody,
हाँ
not naming anybody, and the
हाँ.
person told us that we will check out your content and then we'll get back to you. So I said fine. So we had done an episode on woke culture, which was the second episode.
And we were
on woke
attacking
culture.
woke people. I'll be
We
honest with
were-
that.
Yeah, we were.
Hmm.
What he called me up and the person told me that because you have done this thing on woke culture, I can't do this. I'm like, why, sir? And he's like, because that means even you're against me and my community.
Hmm.
I'm like, why? He's like, no, that kind of person you are. So I didn't do anything.
Hmm.
That is the thing कि हमारे एक opinion पे हमारे एक उस पे हम broadly define हो जाते हैं. हो सकता है इस episode के बाद हम फिर define हो जाए.
Hmm. Of course.
But इसी को stop करना पड़ेगा.
हाँ.
Look at the person and look at the facts presented by the person.
Why do you have to define a person?
Don't judge the problem is यार हम लड़ने बैठ जाते हैं, ठीक है,
हाँ.
और फिर जब सपोर्ट के लिए चाहिए होता है फिर कोई होगा ही नहीं तुम्हारे पास.
हाँ राइट.
है
देख
ना?
अच्छा आयुष गंदा आयुष.
ओपिनियंस की तरफ रखो.
एग्जैक्टली. देख अच्छा आयुष गंदा आयुष, सैड आयुष, हैप्पी आयुष कुछ नहीं है. आयुष है बस.
आयुष जैसा भी हो, ये लंबा वीडियो हो गया है. सो आई थिंक दिस हैज बीन अ ग्रेट वीडियो. मुझे पता भी नहीं चला कब 1 घंटा हो गया. We have addressed whatever we wanted to, and this is a segment we will keep on doing.
हाँ.
So thank you, and Sanket, anything to add?
बहुत तगड़ा एपिसोड था यार, मजे आ गए.
बहुत तगड़ा था. हाँ.
बहुत ज्यादा मजे आ गए.
Hopefully ज्यादा कुछ
Hopefully
होगा नहीं इसके बाद.
Hopefully you guys see another episode. You're able to see another episode.
Episode कुछ भी हो. But yeah, listen, whatever happens, I'll tell something. मुझे कोई कुछ भी बोले, I stand by what I've said.
Exactly same, and I am happy that I have addressed it publicly.
You call me whatever you want to. I am standing by what I'm saying, and
Right.
this is my stance on this. Good, bad, ugly. This is what it is. So
True,
that's
true.
how this we want to end it. That whatever if this video is offensive to anybody, then we are sorry for that. But
We're sorry that
but
we're sorry.
But we're not sorry for our opinions. We're sorry if it's hurt you.
हाँ.
But we're not sorry because what you said it's scientific facts.
And
You've then elaborated on that.
Right.
So
True.
So before taking offense or just mildly taking offense, it is important to analyze. So I
And-
hope people do that.
And like today is 18th August, and
Very
like
shooting.
yeah, and we're seeing things that are going around in Afghanistan. We wanted to talk about it in this podcast, but we thought that let's not just blabber out.
that we'll
कुछ भी. ठीक है?
that we'll discuss because
We'll discuss with
this is
someone credible.
This is something because it is still happening.
Right.
है ना? Now they have captured.
Let's see what's going
now they have a lot about how they are
And
treating
bro,
women
it's
and
no,
everything.
it's really complex. It's not simple. I'll tell you.
It is very simple. We'll talk about it.
Yeah, we'll talk about
Okay.
it in great depth.
So
So that was it, guys. Please don't cancel us. But
you don't cancel us. No, even if you cancel us,
yeah,
It's-
Ayush, let's get cancelled.
it's fine. Let's get cancelled. ठीक है? चलो.
हाँ.